In this video, guys, I wanted to talk about the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh pick set that you can get with a coupon for 99 cents. You know, for years I've used the Snap-on green handle pick set, and I've been very, very happy with them. I find the Snap-on to be incredibly strong. There's not that much flex. Using a magnet, I can kind of sense that the metal goes well into the handle quite far. It just seems like obviously a super strong tool. And that's what I've used for years and years and years. But probably a year and a half ago, I picked up for 99 cents this super cheap set of picks at Harbor Freight. And you know, when something's 99 cents, it's basically free, right? So almost free set of tools. And I've been using them and I have liked them more than I thought I would. Granted, they are not really that strong. They bend and flex more than I thought they will. They bend and flex quite a bit, but you know, not too bad. The fact that they're shorter means that they're naturally not going to bend as much. Not bad. I suspect, you know, running a magnet along here, I suspect the metal only goes into the handle about that far. But again, for an almost free tool, I don't find that the build quality or anything else is really substandard. And I find these actually quite useful for removing O-rings. And, you know, what I've discovered is you really don't need an expensive Snap-on tool to remove O-rings. And so I would encourage any of you guys to go ahead and get a set of the Pittsburgh ones to see if you like them. It's almost free. And when it comes to removing O-rings, I've been using these for about a year to remove O-rings. And other things too, like for example, if there's a piece of grit, you know, if I'm doing a brake job and there's just a piece of grit and I'm wanting just to dig out the grit or just dig out some brake dust that's hardened on there, these have been really, really effective. And they actually clean up pretty well too. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you, that I've had a pretty good experience. Granted, they're not as strong as the Snap-on. They're not a Snap-on. But for what I use them for and for what you'll probably use them for, they're not bad. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Take care.